This is 10th class mathematics. Children, we have finished real numbers, sets and polynomials. Now I am going to start the new chapter, chapter 5, quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. Chapter 5. Quadratic equations related to polynomials. In polynomials, you know about zeros and quadratic polynomial. Here the quadratic equation. What is the difference of quadratic polynomial and quadratic equation? Quadratic polynomial cannot equal to any other value. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, quadratic polynomial. If the variable x. Here the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, balance. It is quadratic equation. So standard form of quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equation in variable x is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Quadratic equation where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Why? Because if a equal to 0, it's not the quadratic equation. So children, it's very important chapter. Feel like it's very interesting game. So children, in this 5.1, check whether the following are quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. Here some equations are given. Once check are they belong to the quadratic equation or not. First one, x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. 2 into x minus 3. Solve these and compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, it is quadratic equation, otherwise it is not. X plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square implies this is a form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x plus 1 whole square, x square plus 2x plus 1 square 1. 2x minus 2 3s are 6. 2x minus 6. Next, x square plus 2x minus 2x plus 1 plus 6 equal to 0. X square 2x minus 2x cancel plus 7, x square plus 7 equal to 0. X square, here x square minus 7 equal to 0. It is the quadratic equation. It is the quadratic equation. It is quadratic equation. Of course, you may doubt there is no x term, but here the x square term is. That's why it is belong to the quadratic equation. If there is a x square is cancelled, it's not a quadratic equation. Confidentially. To x equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x implies x square minus 2x. Simplify this. Minus 2 into plus 6 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2x. So x square minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 4x plus 6. X square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Next, fourth. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equal to x into x plus 5. X into x plus 5. Simplify. X minus 3 into, first take x and multiply. X into 2x, 2x square, x into 1 plus x, minus 3 into 2, minus 6x, minus 3, x into x, x square plus 5x. Next, transposing x square plus 5x to LHS. Now 2x square minus x square plus x minus 6x minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Now 2x square minus x square. It is x square. 2x square minus x square plus x minus 6 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 10x minus 3 ax square plus bx plus c. It is also quadratic equation. Copy down. X minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. First simplify. Multiply 2x square minus 6x minus x minus 2 minus plus 3. Now multiply with x into x, x square, x into minus 1 minus x with 5x plus into minus 5. Now 2x square minus 6x minus x minus 7x plus 3 x square minus 1x plus 5 4x. Transposing all these to LHS. 2x square minus 7x, 2x square minus x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 3 plus 5 equal to 0. 2x square minus x square minus 7x minus 4x minus 11x plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 equal to 0. It is quadratic equation. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Equation. Okay, children. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. Very important. Represent. Here in the second one, page number in textbook page number 106. Watch. The product of two consecutive positive integers is is 306. We need to find the integers. We need to find the integers. Okay. Observe, children. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Consecutive means continued numbers. For example, if you take 2, very next 3, 5, next 6, 10, next 11, like. Let the two consecutive numbers be x comma x plus 1, x comma x plus 1, x comma x plus 1. According to the problem, or according to the sum, product of two consecutive x into x plus 1 equal to 306. This is the form, but we write x into x square plus x equal to 306, x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. It is in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c, quadratic equation. If we solve it, very simple. Of course, right? Copy down, like, we can solve later. Otherwise, if you take x square into minus 306 x square plus x x square, we write 306, copy down, we divide 306 into plus 18x minus 17x plus and minus minus 17 18s are 306 x into x square. Add plus x we get plus x. So x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 equal to 0. Implies take x common, x plus 18 minus 7 common, x plus 18, x plus 18 into x minus 17. X plus 18 equal to 0 or x minus 8, x minus 17, x minus 17 equal to 0. X equal to minus 18 or x equal to plus 17. X equal to plus 17. If x equal to 17, x plus 1 equal to 18. If x equal to minus 18, minus 18 plus 1 equal to x plus 1 equal to minus 18 plus 1 minus 17. That's it. Minus 17. Computer children, practice all these and we will do some more problems. Page number 106, 5.1 and examples also. Practice children. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.